Question 1. The first stage of construction of any structure is. The correct answer is job layout divided by site marking. Question 2. In job layout, the reference point for all levels is called. The correct answer is benchmark. Question 3. Profiles batter boards are used in setting out to. The correct answer is mark the width and position of walls divided by foundations. Question 4. The 3-4-5 method is used in layout to. The correct answer is set out right angles 90 degrees. Question 5. Earthwork in excavation is generally measured in. The correct answer is cubic meters cubic meter. Question 6. Bulking of sand increases its volume by up to. The correct answer is 20% to 30%. Question 7. The angle of repose is the maximum angle at which. The correct answer is loose soil remains stable without sliding. Question 8. Shoring is used in excavation to. The correct answer is support the sides of the trench from collapsing. Question 9. Poling boards are vertical members used in. The correct answer is timbering of trenches, shoring. Question 10. The horizontal member supporting poling boards in shoring is called. The correct answer is wailing. Question 11. Struts in trench timbering are. The correct answer is horizontal compression members keeping wailings apart. Question 12. Dewatering is the process of. The correct answer is removing water from excavation pit. Question 13. The simplest method of dewatering shallow pits is. The correct answer is sump and pump method. Question 14. Well point system is suitable for dewatering in. The correct answer is sandy soils to a depth of 6 to 7 meters. Question 15. For deep excavations greater than 15 meters in permeable soil, the suitable dewatering method is. The correct answer is deep well system. Question 16. Electro-osmosis dewatering is best suited for. The correct answer is fine-grained soils like clay divided by silt. Question 17. A cofferdam is a. The correct answer is temporary structure to exclude water for construction. Question 18. An earthen cofferdam is suitable for. The correct answer is low water depth and low velocity. Question 19. Puddle clay is used in cofferdams to. The correct answer is make the wall impervious to water. Question 20. Sheet pile cofferdams are made of. The correct answer is interlocking steel sheets. Question 21. A cellular cofferdam is used for. The correct answer is deep water in large areas. Question 22. Which type of cofferdam uses 2 rows of piles with soil fill in between? The correct answer is double wall cofferdam. Question 23. A caisson is a. The correct answer is permanent box-like foundation structure sunk into place. Question 24. Open caisson well foundation is open at. The correct answer is top and bottom. Question 25. Pneumatic caisson uses. The correct answer is compressed air to exclude water from working chamber. Question 26. Box caisson is. The correct answer is closed at bottom and open at top. Question 27. Box caissons are cast. The correct answer is on land and floated to site. Question 28. The cutting edge of a well foundation is made of. The correct answer is mild steel angles divided by plates. Question 29. The curb of a well foundation connects. The correct answer is cutting edge to the steining. Question 30. Steining in a well foundation refers to. The correct answer is the wall of the well. Question 31. Bottom plug in a well foundation is laid. The correct answer is underwater using tremie pipe after sinking is complete. Question 32. Sand filling in a well foundation serves to. The correct answer is provide weight and stability. Question 33. Tilting of wells during sinking can be corrected by. The correct answer is eccentric loading or water jetting on higher side. Question 34. Bearing capacity of soil is. The correct answer is the load carrying capacity per unit area. Question 35. Ultimate bearing capacity is. The correct answer is minimum gross pressure at which soil fails in shear. Question 36. Net ultimate bearing capacity is. The correct answer is ultimate capacity, overburden pressure. Question 37. Safe bearing capacity is. The correct answer is net ultimate divided by FOS plus overburden. Question 38. Allowable bearing pressure takes into account. The correct answer is shear failure and settlement criteria. Question 39. Factor of safety typically used for shallow foundations is. The correct answer is 2.5 to 3.0. Question 40. Plate load test is used to determine. The correct answer is bearing capacity and settlement of soil. Question 41. Standard penetration test (SPT) gives. The correct answer is N value resistance to penetration. Question 42. The N value is corrected for. The correct answer is overburden pressure and dilatancy. Question 43. Terzaghi's bearing capacity factors depend on. The correct answer is angle of internal friction phi. Question 44. General shear failure occurs in. The correct answer is dense sand and stiff clay. Question 45. Local shear failure occurs in. The correct answer is medium dense sand divided by medium stiff clay. Question 46. A shallow foundation is one where. The correct answer is depth is less than or equal to width. Question 47. Spread footing is a type of. The correct answer is shallow foundation. Question 48. Combined footing is used when. The correct answer is two columns are close or one is near property line. Question 49. Strap footing consists of. The correct answer is two isolated footings connected by a beam. Question 50. Raft mat foundation is used when. The correct answer is soil bearing capacity is low or differential settlement is feared. Question 51. A pile foundation is a type of. The correct answer is deep foundation. Question 52. End-bearing piles transfer load primarily through. The correct answer is the bottom tip resting on hard stratum. Question 53. Friction piles transfer load primarily through. The correct answer is skin friction along the shaft. Question 54. Under-reamed piles are used in. The correct answer is expansive soils, black cotton soil. Question 55. The bulb under-ream in an under-reamed pile provides. The correct answer is anchorage against uplift. Question 56. Negative skin friction on piles acts. The correct answer is downwards adding to load. Question 57. Negative skin friction occurs when. The correct answer is surrounding soil settles more than the pile, e.g. fill. Question 58. Batter piles are driven. The correct answer is at an inclination to resist lateral loads. Question 59. Sheet piles are used for. The correct answer is retaining earth or water bulkheads. Question 60. Fender piles are used to. The correct answer is protect waterfront structures from impact of ships. Question 61. Compaction piles are used to. The correct answer is densify loose granular soils. Question 62. Pile driving formula engineering news record is. The correct answer is Q equals WH divided by FS plus C. Question 63. In the ENR formula, C, for drop ha millimeters is. The correct answer is 2.54 centimeters 1 inch. Question 64. A group of piles is covered by a. The correct answer is pile cap. Question 65. Pile load test is the most reliable method for. The correct answer is determining load carrying capacity of a pile. Question 66. Dynamic pile formulas are based on. The correct answer is energy principle, work done. Question 67. Static pile formulas use. The correct answer is soil shear strength parameters C and phi. Question 68. Minimum spacing of friction piles is usually. The correct answer is 3 times diameter. Question 69. Efficiency of a pile group is often. The correct answer is less than 100% for friction piles. Question 70. Tremie pipe is used for. The correct answer is underwater concreting. Question 71. For underwater concreting, the slump should be. The correct answer is height 150-200 millimeters. Question 72. Bentonite slurry is used in pile boring to. The correct answer is stabilize the sides of the borehole. Question 73. Floating foundation works on the principle of. The correct answer is weight of excavated soil equals weight of structure. Question 74. Differential settlement causes. The correct answer is cracking and structural damage. Question 75. Maximum permissible differential settlement for isolated footings on sand is typically. The correct answer is 25 millimeters. Question 76. Liquefaction of sand occurs due to. The correct answer is loss of shear strength during earthquake divided by vibration. Question 77. Presumptive bearing capacity is. The correct answer is estimated safe value based on code for type of soil. Question 78. Depth of exploration for a strip footing should be at least. The correct answer is 1.5 to 2.0 times the width. Question 79. Disturbed samples are used for. The correct answer is classification and index properties. Question 80. Undisturbed samples are required for. The correct answer is shear strength and consolidation tests. Question 81. Shelby tube is used to collect. The correct answer is undisturbed soil samples. Question 82. Area ratio of a sampler should be less than _____ for undisturbed sampling. The correct answer is 10% to 20%. Question 83. Rock quality designation RQD indicates. The correct answer is Quality of rock mass based on core recovery. Question 84. The depth of a well foundation is decided by. The correct answer is scour depth and grip length. Question 85. Grip length in well foundation is. The correct answer is depth of well below scour level. Question 86. The cutting edge angle in a well curb is usually. The correct answer is 30 degrees. Question 87. Kentledge loading is used for. The correct answer is sinking of wells by adding weight. Question 88. Pneumatic sinking is limited to a depth of. The correct answer is 30 to 35 meters due to pressure limits for humans. Question 89. Franke pile is a type of. The correct answer is cast in situ concrete pile with enlarged base. Question 90. Vibroflotation is a technique for. The correct answer is deep compaction of granular soils. Question 91. Grouting is used in foundation engineering to. The correct answer is fill voids, stop leakage, and increase strength. Question 92. Stone columns are used to. The correct answer is reinforce soft clay and increase bearing capacity. Question 93. Geotextiles are used in foundations for. The correct answer is separation, filtration, and reinforcement. Question 94. The maximum pressure a soil can carry without shear failure is. The correct answer is ultimate bearing capacity. Question 95. Skempton's formula is used for bearing capacity of. The correct answer is clay soils. Question 96. Meyerhoff's theory accounts for. The correct answer is shape, depth, and inclination factors. Question 97. In a raft foundation, the contact pressure under columns is. The correct answer is high. Question 97. A raft foundation is preferred when the structural area occupied by footings exceeds. The correct answer is 50% of total area. Question 98. Degree of freedom of a block foundation, machine foundation, is. The correct answer is 6-3 translation plus 3 rotation. Question 99. Resonance in machine foundations occurs when. The correct answer is operating frequency equals natural frequency. Question 100. Isolation of machine foundation is done to. The correct answer is reduce transmission of vibrations.